Suppose, as we know that water melting point is 0 degrees Celsius. So what is the meaning of that? Can you able to say, Pradosh? What is the meaning of water will start melting at 0 degrees Celsius? What is the meaning of
Melting
that?
point, sir.
What is that? Is it, if you are keeping, suppose, I have what? Minus 10 degrees Celsius has been reduced to minus 5 degrees Celsius. Means in the sense of temperature is increasing. Understanding? Value. Who is bigger? Minus 5 or minus 10?
-5, sir.
Minus 5 is bigger. Means in the sense of temperature is increasing or decreasing? Temperature is increasing. Yes or no?
Increasing.
Yeah, increasing.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I will bring the temperature minus 5 to minus 10 to minus 5, it will converting into the our liquid water? Is converting into the liquid water? No. Yes or
No,
no?
sir.
No. So only once the temperature will start reaching to the 0 degrees Celsius, only once the temperature will start reaching to the 0 degrees Celsius, then only what is happening? Then only what is happening?
It will becomes liquid water.
Liquid water. Is it yes or no? Liquid state. So
Yes, sir.
at a particular temperature where a solid can converting into liquid, a particular temperature where a solid can converting into liquid, that temperature is called as melting point of a substance. What we should call?
Melting point of a substance.
So is it a constant for every substance? No, it is varies. For example, if we take ice, the temperature of 0 degrees Celsius, it will begins the state converting into solid state to liquid state, so that only the melting point of ice, I can say 0 degrees Celsius. Understanding? 0 degree Celsius means where the ice can converting into liquid water. That is the reason. So that at melting point, what kind of change will take place? At melting point, ice can changes into what? Ice changes its state from solid to which state? Solid to liquid
state.
So that particular temperature is called as melting point. Understanding? And the process is called as, what is this process called as? What is this process called as? Alana?
Fusion
Or melting or fusion. This complete process is called as converting solid to liquid is called as melting or fusion. At the particular temperature where the state will start changing, the change in state will begins. That is called as MP. What is that MP means? MP. What is that means? Melting point. What we should call?
melting point.
Melting point. So melting and melting point, is it both are same? No. The process is called as melting and that particular temperature is called as melting point, where the solid is converting into liquid. Do you understand or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is what. So now, suppose if we take different solids. Suppose let me take, understand. So as we know that the melting point of ice is how much, Ra? What is the melting point of ice?
0
0 degrees
degree
Celsius.
Celsius.
Do you know wax? Candle wax. Do you know wax?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, wax it will take. Understanding? The melting point of the MP of wax is 63 degrees Celsius. Means once it will start heating 63 degrees Celsius, then only it will start melting into liquids. Like that, if we take iron. Do you know iron?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to convert into the iron is very strong. If you want to convert it into the liquid, then you have to heat it
1000 degree.
1535 degrees Celsius. Very huge temperature. Is it yes or no? So if we convert, if we provide this much heat, then only we can get the liquid iron. Do you understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
All of you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if we'll observe here, understand. So melting point is very more. Melting point is very high. Means in the sense of the force of attraction is more or less. Suppose both are closely packed, so that very more energy is required to break in. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So like that you tell me. So if we'll say that melting point is more, so means in the sense of the force of attraction is more or less.
More.
Others. Others.
More, sir.
More. So that is what you should remember. So the melting point of a solid is a measure of the force of attraction between its particles. Understand? Suppose you can take, understand. So the iron melting point. What is the iron melting point? 1535 degrees Celsius. So which tells us that the force of attraction between the particles of iron is very weak or very strong. Very,
Wrong.
very strong.
Strong.
So that if melting point is more, the force of attraction is more. Do you understand?
More.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Or no? So that is what. So when we will heat, understand, when a solid is heated sufficiently, then it changes to the physical state and it will becomes into which state? It will becomes into
Liquid state.
Liquid
Understand?
state.
So here how it will be happens means when a solid substance is heated, the heat energy makes its particles vibrate more vigorously. It will start heating, then the particles will start moving very vigorously, means randomly, because they will gain the energy. That energy only we used to call it as what? Kinetic energy.
Kinetic
Kinetic
energy.
energy.
If they are heating, they will gain this kinetic energy once at the melting point. Once the temperature will reaches at the melting point, the particles of a solid have enough sufficient kinetic energy to overcome the strong forces of attraction. Means in the sense of they can break the bonds between them and they can, understand, turns into what? New change of state. That is only called as liquid state.
Liquid state.
So till that the force of attraction is there. Once they will reach us to the melting point, so that they will get the enough sufficient kinetic energy to overcome that bonds. Understanding means in the sense of the strong forces of attraction holding them in a fixed positions. And what will happen once that bonds will be break? What will happen, Ra? What will happen? They all will start moving. Correct or not? The fixed positions will
Yes, sir.
Sir.
so that they form a small group of particles and then a solid will melt to form what? Solid will melt to
Liquid.
form what? Liquid. Understand? So as we know that solid state means particles have fixed positions or not? Solids having fixed positions.
Sir.
Start heating. So they will gain the kinetic energy. Whenever they will get sufficient kinetic energy, they will just break the bonds between them and they will go start randomly. So they will start moving randomly. In the sense of what? It will be converted into liquids. That's all. Do you understand or not? Yes or no?
Understood, sir.
Yes. So this is what will happen. So somebody will ask you, melting points will suggest us what? Melting points will say what? How strong the particles are present. Understand? Means in the sense of either the particles are present very strong or very weak. Understanding? Means the force of attraction present between the particles is very high, very strong or weak. We can decide by seeing what? By seeing the melting point of a substance. Understand? So if melting point is less, what happened? Ra? Force of attraction is
Less.
force of attraction
Less.
is less. Understand? Less stronger. So now, if melting point is more, MP is high. So that what will happen? Strong forces. Strong, very strong force of attractions. Very strong force of attraction. Do you understand? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right now. Two definitions you should learn now. What is that? One is melting or fusion, and the second one is melting point. Write it first one. The process in which
Sir, what definition, sir? This is.
you have written heading correct. Solid to liquid change. That is called as melting. That is you write. The process in which a solid substance, can changes, sorry, solid substance changes into a liquid, 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 changes into a liquid by what? By water. By which parameter? By heating. Understand? But actually by heating should not come on heating, right? Liquid on heating changes into a liquid on heating. Grammar is also important. On heating is called as what we should call? Is called what we should call, Pradosh? Is called
Melting or fusion.
is called as
Melting or fusion.
all of you write it. Fusion. 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 Is it okay? Yes or no? Example. Ice changes into water on heating. Example. Ice changes into water. Ice changes into water on heating. Ice changes into water on heating. That's all. Ice changes into water on heating. That is an example. Is it okay, Ra? Yes or no? All of you.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. Sir, 1 minute more, sir.
Is it okay, Ma? Completed?
Completed, sir.
Next, melting point. Keep hitting melting point. Melting point. So, what is the short form of melting point? MP. You can remember. Melting point. Bracket you can write MP. Melting point. Right. That
Sir,
time,
this is heading.
melting point is a side heading. Side heading. In this topic only, side heading it is. Right. Melting point. The temperature at which a solid substance, the temperature at which a solid substance melts, MELTS, melts. The temperature at which a solid substance melts and changes into a liquid. At one more parameter, what is that? At atmospheric pressure. That is what a very important definition. Understand? Changes into a liquid. A temperature at which a solid substance melts and changes into a liquid at atmospheric pressure. At atmospheric pressure. At atmospheric pressure is called melting point of the substance. Atmospheric pressure is called melting point of the substance. Is called melting point of the substance. Is called melting point of the substance. Is it okay? All of you. Is called melting point of the substance. Okay, da? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, example. So this one you have to write it last. Next, now you write. Example. Melting point of ice. melting point of ice. MP you can write, no need to write melting point. MP of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius. Like as well as a melting point of wax. Wax is how much, Ra? Wax is how much I said? 63 degrees Celsius. Like that. Melting point of iron. Iron is 1500 and how much?
1563.
1535 degrees Celsius. 1535. Do you understand? Yes or no? Melting point.
Yes, sir.
35. Note it down. These are the examples. Melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Melting point of wax is 63 degrees Celsius. Melting point of iron is 1535 degrees Celsius. Once if it is completed, you tell me.
Sir, that is 63 or 65, sir.
63. 63. 63 degrees Celsius, 1535 degrees Celsius. Okay, va? Understood?
Okay, sir.
Now, you should write one point. Next, you right. Next point. The melting point of a solid. The melting point of a solid. The melting point of a solid is a note. You keep as a note for this very, very important point. Understand? The melting point of a solid. The melting point of a solid is a measure of the. The melting point of a solid is a measure of the force of attraction. Is the measure of the force of attraction between its particles. Between its particles. Between its particles. Force of attraction between its particles. Particles means what? Atoms or molecules. Yes or no? Particles means what? It may be the
Sir.
Atoms or molecules.
molecules. Now, what is the relation between them? Melting point is more. What is happening? Higher the melting point, greater
Intermolecular force is higher.
that is, write it. Higher the melting point, understanding, higher the melting point, greater will be the force of attraction. Greater will be the force of attraction. Means in the sense of, if lower, understand, if the melting point is very, very low, then what will happen? If very, very low, what will happen?
Low attraction.
Melting point, lower will be the force of attraction. Understand? So that now greater will be the force of attraction. Attraction means in the sense of very strong or very weak. Very strong. Understand? Very strong. That is what you should remember. So opposite to this, automatically it will say that. We no need to write. Do you understand? All of you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
solid converting into liquid. Finally, you should write it like this. Solid converting into liquid by heating. By heating. So that what they will get? They will get the kinetic energy. Increases or decreases? Kinetic energy.
Increases.
Increases.
Kinetic energy increases. That's all. So write this at last. Write this at last. Solid to liquid. Is it okay? Kinetic energy will increases. That is what I should do. Okay, na?